Yesterday's Super Bowl halftime show wasn't just about music, it was about a culture referendum. It created arguments on both sides. And of course, there was an alternative to Super Bowl halftime show with Turning Point USA. Now, I'm going to be honest. When I watched the Super Bowl halftime show yesterday with Bad Bunny, I was kind of lost. I'm not a fan of the music. I'm not saying I don't respect the music because I respect art, but I wasn't familiar with his music. So I was kind of lost because of that. And then, of course, when he began to, rap or sing in another language, of course, I don't speak Spanish, so I didn't understand what was being said or represented. But you can kind of feel the energy of what was being represented. All the things that are going on around the country, all the political, the political charge that's in the air right now. So you can kind of feel where, he was going with that. And for the most part, it was done tastefully. I saw Ricky Martin on there. I didn't know it was him, to be honest, until later. Did see Lady Gaga on there. And so it was entertaining. And honestly, you were hoping, that it would be entertaining from what was going on in the game itself yesterday. Y'all football fans know what I mean. But for the most part, you of course, going to create an argument. But let's just be fair. Are you mad at the performance or are you mad at what the performance represented? Now, to my African Americans, I understand that watching that show, you could have kind of felt alienated at times. Possibly, maybe not. Hey, but let's think about last year. Kendrick Lamar was on there. He represented, for the black people. And if we're going to be fair, his performance could have alienated people as well. So life is about a give and take. If they want to go on there and that's who's chosen for the bill and want to represent their countries and their culture and things like that, what's wrong with it? Just know that everybody ain't going to get it. Now, would I think I have enjoyed the Turning Point alternative halftime show? What did they call it? They called it the American halftime show. What did they call that? All-American halftime show. That's what they call it. Do I think I would have enjoyed that more with country music? And I don't think so. And I didn't watch it. Namely because I was watching the game and I was hoping for something to pump me up or, salvage some energy, at least what was left that was in the room. So I watched the Bad Bunny one. And like I said, for the most part, it was tastefully done. It was very theatrical. It was very well put together. People were in sync and just a lot of movement, a lot of thought put into it. It was a lot going on. And cultures represented. And understanding what Bad Bunny had recently said at the Grammys about ICE being out. And that's how I can kind of tell what was kind of being conveyed. And this particular artist, I believe, is going to do a global tour. And he said he's not even going to have any U.S. dates because he doesn't want ICE being outside the venues if he were to do some tour dates here in the United States. And, quite strangely enough, I don't know what this means, but his Instagram account has been wiped clean. Bad Bunny's has. I don't know what that's all about. Did people attack him? What was going on? Did his DMs blow up? Were people spamming his posts? I don't know. But everything on his Instagram is gone. But getting back to the matter at hand, I'm asking you, did you enjoy the performance? If you did or you did not, why? If you enjoyed it, tell us why you enjoyed it. If you did not, tell us why. But if you didn't, are you more upset at the performance or are you upset at what the performance represented? And I like to write down things to make sure my thoughts are clear. So if you made it this far, let me read this to you right quick. The Super Bowl halftime show wasn't just music yesterday. It turned into a culture referendum. Yesterday's Super Bowl halftime turned into a whole argument about what American is supposed to look like. Bad Bunny headlined the official halftime show, a Puerto Rican Spanish language celebration on the biggest stage in the country, and predictable, some people loved it. Some people acted like America got insulted. At the same time, Turning Point USA pushed an alternative all-American halftime show with country artists, basically a parallel halftime for people who didn't want the official one. Now here's the trap conservative point. This is bigger than music. This is about identity. When people say keep it American, sometimes they mean values, and sometimes they mean aesthetics, language, culture, who gets centered. And if you can't admit that both sides are reacting emotionally, you're already captured. One side says representation matters. The other says tradition matters. And both talk like the other is evil. And we're going to go back. My question is simple. Are you more upset at the performance, or are you mad about what the performance represents? Trap Conservative, thank you for listening. Please like, share, subscribe. I appreciate your time because that alone is valuable.